Hello guys, how are you? Fine? In the Zoom period, we were doing exercise 1, page 18. We still have the last one. Let's finish the last one, then I will start explaining how to write the word form of any number. So, to write the position value of the underlying digit here in the last one. First, we said that we have to write the families up. In order to write the families, I will separate this big number by using commas. I will start from the right side. I will count the 3 digits, then I will place a comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So I will write the families up. The first family is ones, the second one is thousand, and then million. Each one is divided into ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred. Here we have just ones, tens. Look at the underlined digit, it's 6. So I will write what 6. Is it ones or tens or hundred? It's ones. So we have to write here what ones. In which family? Also it's in the ones family, but we can't write 6 ones once. So we write it just one time. But you have to write here ones. We said before that we can skip ones. But here you have to write ones. Why? Because 6 should place value هي ones digit. To show me that it's the ones digit, you have to write 6 ones. Okay? Now, how to write numbers in words or in letter form. When writing numbers in words, you write exactly what you say. For example, look at this number. In order to write it in letters, first I will write the families. So I will separate this number by commas. 1, 2, 3, commas. So the first step you have to place what commas in order to separate the families. So how many families do we have? 3 families. The first one, he ones, then thousand, and then million. Okay. So هيدي the first family, هيدي the second, وهيدي the third. Now, how do we write it in letters? First, you will write exactly what you say. I will start now reading this number from where? From left. I can't start from right, from left. Every numbers that are inside the circle, I will read them together, then I will say the family. So, how do we read these 3 numbers together? 409. 409 in which family? Million. So we have to say 409 million. Don't forget to say the family. Then, how do we read these 3 numbers together? 320. In which family? Thousand. So you have to say 320,000. Then, how do we read these 3 numbers together? 199. I can't say 199 ones. The ones family, we will skip it. So, 409,320,199. Okay, let's try. Now I reverse the question. I gave you the word form. You will write the digit form. Did you remember the place value chart that I showed you during the Zoom period? Okay, هذا the place value chart. Now I will draw it here. So when I bring for you the word form, to write the digit form, you have to write the place value chart. 264 in which family? 1000. So let's circle the families. 503. So how many families do we have here? We have 1000 family, and for sure we have ones. So 2 families. So I will write ones and what? And 1000. 2 families. Each family is divided into 3 parts. HTO or ones, tens, hundred. Okay? Now I will fill the numbers. 264 in which family? In the 1000 family. So I will look here. I will skip the ones. I will just look here. I will fill now 264. How do we write 264? 264. Just place it here. Okay, start from ones. 4, 6, 2. Now, 503. How do we write 503 in digits? 503, like this. Fill it here. Start from where? From ones. 305. So the digit form is 264, 503. Okay, let's erase. Now let's do the second one. 90,062,004. So I will circle the families. We have here million family and we have thousand family. For sure we have ones because always we skip it. So I will write now three families. Ones, thousand, and what? And million. Each family is divided into three parts. HTO, HTO. Okay? HTO, HTO, HTO. Yeah. 90, let's write it in digits. I will fill it where? In the millions family, but we have to start always from where? From the right side, in the ones. 0 to 9. 62, fill it where? In the thousand family, with thousand. Come on, start from where? From ones. Okay. Here just 4. 4 بالones family. Come on, start from where? In the ones. Will empty space, fill them, all of them with what? With zeros. Okay. So let's read it again. 90 million, correct. 62,000, 62,000. And here it's 4, correct. Okay. Now, let's erase. 705,000,000. I will circle million family. 22. Did I say 1,000? There is no 1,000. Okay. طيب بما انه عندنا هون million يعني عندنا 3 families. I will write till million. Ones. Then which family comes just after the ones? 1,000 and then what? Million. Each one divided into 3. HTO. So always to write it in digits, you have to write this place value chart. Okay? Yeah. 705. Write it in digits. 705. I will start from the ones, fill it in the million. 507. Did I circle here 1,000 family? So I will skip it. I will fill it with 0 because there is no 1,000. Okay? Because here I said just 22. Did I say 22,000? No. So I can't place it here. It has to be in the ones family. 22. Start from where? From the ones. 22. Will empty space what? 0. Okay, guys. So just pay attention to the families. Okay, we will do just 3 examples.